when you have a buyer that tells you that they are ready to leave, do you exhaust every single option? Do you say,
hold up, hey,
and take them out and show them the vehicle one more time? Hey, I know you're not buying a car today. That's all right. I truly appreciate the time that you spent with me today. This was great. Hey, before you leave, I got one more thing to show you. You need to get a little bit crazy when you're closing. Re-demo them in the car. Walk them back out to their car and do another walk around on their car. Hey, before you leave, can I take one more look at your car? I want to take a couple pictures because I want to send these around to get some additional bids. Walk them in the inventory again. Make sure they meet a manager. Make sure they meet 2 managers. We need to do what it takes to do the deal right now. Don't get this mistaken with applying too much pressure. You need to tell yourself, though, that if the buyer leaves, they're not going to get the car they want. That if the buyer leaves, they're not going to get as good of a deal. When I'm working a deal, I always pretend that I am at least $10,000 cheaper than anybody else, that I have the lowest payment, that I have the lowest interest rate, that I am the only person that has the vehicle that the buyer wants to purchase. Because if I believe in my heart that I'm the cheapest, that I got the best car, that I got the best payment, that I'm disservicing the buyer if I let them leave, when they go to leave, I always tell them, hold up, wait. Let's go outside and take a look at one more thing. And I exhaust every single option. And when you do this, and you do it the right way, and you do it in a service way and not a pushy way, your buyer will actually appreciate your enthusiasm and you wanting to take action right now.